Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Cloud Thinking. This channel is dedicated to showing you tutorial videos on different PC products, apps, even showing you how to avoid online dangers and how to protect yourself online. I hope that you like my videos, and if so, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, share it with someone else, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. So in today's video, we are going to continue on with our Microsoft Word tutorial series. For today's video, we're going to focus on adding headers and footers, as well as editing headers and footers. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and give you a second to get Microsoft Word open so you can follow along. Okay, so with Microsoft Word open, you're on your main screen. You're going to go ahead and go up to the Insert tab. Alright, over here you have your buttons for header and footer. These are the two buttons that we're going to be working with today. So first we will insert a header. Go ahead and click that button and you can choose the template that you would like. Now, main purposes of headers are to add things like document titles up top, page numbers, just things that you want out of the way, and to make it, pretty much clean up your format from your main structure of your document. So for this one, let's go ahead and do document title, and let's add in the text test. And you can really add in whatever text that you need to add. You can also format where you want your text placed. Right now it's 0.5 inch from the top, so ½ inch down. You can also click back over here and where your header button is, and you can change it if you'd like. If you don't like the layout, you can go ahead and check that. Again, you can add in whatever you would like into the text. Okay, and then just to get out of there, if you want to get back into text, you double click inside the top field. If you want to get back to your document, just double click outside of it and you're outside of your header. Okay, footer. So with your document selected, go back to your Insert tab, go over here to Footer, and add in footer. And this will be for your additional page numbers, references, what have you. You can do that. And again, just like your header, you can type in whatever you want into this field. And a lot of times, references and things like that are pretty much what everybody puts into the footer. Alright, again, if you want to get out of that, you just click out back into your normal text area and you are out. As you go, this header and footer will follow you to every document that you come across. As you can see, page 2 and header footer. And again, if you go down to page 3, header footer will just continue to follow you. No matter what page you're on, if you click up in the header, you can edit it and it will take across every single one of these pages. So let's change this, and as you can see, it changes it across every page that you're working on. Alright, the same thing with your footer. No matter what page you're working on, if you go through and change it, then it will change it on all of your documents as well. Okay? And it's that easy. Alright, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If so, go ahead and give me that thumbs up button. Share this with a friend. And hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with all my videos. Thank you for watching and have a good night.